The mind is powerful. It shapes reality through focus, repetition, and belief. What we repeatedly imagine holds the potential to materialize in our lives. Some dismiss this as wishful thinking, but countless individuals have seen their thoughts transform into reality. The question is, how does this process work, and what steps can you take to align your thoughts with your desired outcome? The human brain is wired to recognize patterns. When we repeat a thought or visualization, the mind treats it as familiar and attainable. Studies in neuroscience have shown that the brain does not distinguish between vividly imagined experiences and real ones. Athletes, for example, use mental rehearsal to improve performance. By imagining success over and over, they train their minds and bodies to respond as if they have already achieved their goal. Similarly, when you envision yourself living the life you desire, whether it's abundance, health, or joy, you create neural pathways that make it easier for these realities to manifest. The key is consistency. If a thought is entertained once and then forgotten, it holds little power. But when repeated 100 times or more, it begins to shape perception, emotions, and ultimately circumstances. Visualization alone is not enough. The emotional charge behind it determines how strongly it influences reality. When you imagine something with excitement, gratitude, or love, you send out a frequency that attracts similar experiences. Think about times when you anticipated a joyful event. Your enthusiasm likely made things unfold more smoothly. On the other hand, if visualization is filled with doubt or frustration, the results may be inconsistent. This is why it's essential to cultivate positive emotions while focusing on what you want. Instead of merely picturing success, feel it in your heart as if it's already happening. The stronger the emotion, the more effective the manifestation process. A common mistake is approaching manifestation from a place of lack. When people think, I want more money or I need love in my life, they reinforce the feeling of not having it. The universe responds to energy, and the frequency of lack only attracts more of the same. Instead, shift your mindset to, I already have everything I need. Act as if your desire is already a reality. If you seek financial abundance, imagine checking your bank account and seeing the desired amount. Feel the relief and security that comes with it. The more you embody this mindset, the more you align with the energy of having rather than wanting. Sometimes, despite repeated visualization, results do not materialize. This is often due to subconscious resistance. Deep-seated beliefs about unworthiness, fear of change, or past conditioning can create barriers that block manifestation. For instance, if someone grew up hearing that money is the root of all evil, they might subconsciously repel financial success, no matter how much they try to attract it. To overcome this, it's essential to identify and reframe limiting beliefs. Journaling, affirmations, and self-inquiry can help uncover hidden doubts. Once these blocks are acknowledged, they lose their power, allowing manifestation to flow more effortlessly. Gratitude amplifies the energy of receiving. When we appreciate what we already have, we send a signal that we are ready for more. This is why successful people often maintain gratitude journals. They understand that focusing on abundance attracts more abundance. Instead of dwelling on what's missing, take time each day to acknowledge small victories. Even something as simple as a kind gesture from a stranger or a beautiful sunrise can be a reason to feel grateful. The more gratitude you cultivate, the easier it becomes to attract new blessings. Many people approach manifestation with a sense of hope rather than certainty. They think, I hope this works, or maybe one day this will happen. But true manifestation requires an unshakable belief that what you desire is already on its way. Imagine placing an order at a restaurant. Once you've ordered, you don't keep asking the waiter if your food is coming. You trust it's being prepared. The same principle applies to manifestation. Once you have visualized and felt your desire as real, let go of the doubt and trust that it is unfolding in perfect timing. Ironically, trying too hard to force manifestation can create resistance. When people obsess over how something will happen, they limit the infinite possibilities available to them. The universe often delivers results in unexpected ways. For example, someone seeking a dream job may fixate on a particular company only to receive a better opportunity elsewhere. This is why it's important to focus on the what rather than the how. Trust that the right circumstances will align in ways beyond what you can imagine. While visualization and belief are powerful, they must be accompanied by action. The universe responds to movement. If someone dreams of becoming an author but never writes a word, the manifestation remains incomplete. Action does not mean struggle. When aligned with the right energy, inspired action feels natural and effortless. Doors open, synchronicities appear, and things unfold smoothly. Pay attention to intuition. Sometimes a small nudge in a particular direction is all that's needed to set a manifestation in motion. Impatience is one of the biggest obstacles to manifestation. People often give up too soon, assuming their desires are not coming to fruition. But just like a seed takes time to grow, manifestations require their own timing. Trust that things are unfolding as they should. Even delays serve a purpose. They allow for growth, alignment, and unexpected opportunities. Instead of asking, "Why hasn't it happened yet?" shift to, "I trust that everything is working out in perfect order." The most powerful way to manifest is to become the person who already has what you seek. If you desire success, start carrying yourself with the confidence of a successful person. If you want love, embody the qualities of a loving partner. This isn't about pretending, it's about aligning with the energy of your future self. When you vibrate at the frequency of your desire, reality has no choice but to reflect it back to you. The subconscious mind is the true creator of reality. While conscious thoughts set intentions, it is the deep-seated beliefs in the subconscious that dictate what manifests. Many people unknowingly carry limiting beliefs that contradict their desires, making it difficult for manifestation to work effectively. One way to reprogram the subconscious is through affirmations. When repeated with conviction, affirmations replace negative thought patterns with empowering beliefs. For example, instead of saying, "I wish I were wealthy," say, "I am financially abundant and opportunities flow to me effortlessly." The key is to phrase affirmations in the present tense as if they are already true. Another powerful method is hypnosis or guided meditation. These techniques help bypass the critical mind and directly implant new beliefs. By consistently feeding the subconscious with positive programming, it begins to accept these thoughts as reality, making manifestation more effortless. Everything in the universe operates on frequency. Love, joy, and gratitude vibrate at high frequencies, while fear, doubt, and negativity resonate at lower levels. To attract positive experiences, it is essential to maintain a high vibrational state. This can be achieved through various practices. Meditation calms the mind and raises inner awareness, while activities like dancing, listening to uplifting music, or spending time in nature instantly boost energy levels. Surrounding yourself with positive people also has a profound effect, as energy is contagious. The key is consistency. If you momentarily raise your vibration but spend most of the day in stress or negativity, manifestation becomes inconsistent. Conscious choices to stay in a high energy state ensures that you remain aligned with what you desire. One of the biggest mistakes in manifestation is being too focused on the future. People often obsess over when their desires will materialize, unknowingly creating resistance. The truth is, the only moment that exists is the present. By fully accepting the now, you allow the universe to work without interference. Mindfulness practices help anchor awareness to the present. Simple activities like deep breathing, feeling the sensations of the body, or focusing on the details of your surroundings shift attention away from anxiety about the future. When you are fully present, you radiate a powerful energy of acceptance and trust, two key ingredients for successful manifestation. Instead of worrying about when something will happen, practice gratitude for what is already here. When you appreciate the present, you send a signal that you are already fulfilled, making it easier for even greater blessings to arrive. Manifestation is not about wishing for something and hoping it appears. It is about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the reality you seek. By reprogramming the subconscious mind, maintaining high vibrations, and living in the present, you naturally attract the life you desire. Trust the process, stay consistent, and most importantly, believe that everything is already working in your favor. If this message resonated with you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more insights on how to create the reality you deserve.